This is OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite, and today I would like to show how you can check your mobile phone number on this device. So first order of business is to launch settings. Then the first method, the easiest one, is to enter mobile network, category, and below the SIM1 and SIM2 names, you can look up your phone numbers, or phone number or phone numbers. The other way is more complicated, but still I'm going to show it. So get back to the main settings menu, enter the about device category this time, then go for status, SIM card status, and within the SIM card specifications you can find the phone number 1 and the phone number 2 as well. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching and bye bye.